How to make your Pinterest account public. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest account public. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or go to pinterest.com in your web browser. Ensure you're logged into your account. Now go to your profile by tapping your profile picture or icon. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Profile Visibility option. Tap on it. Check your profile visibility settings. By default, your profile is usually public. If you see an option to make your profile private, ensure it is toggled off. If you have created any secret boards, remember that these boards will remain private, even if your account is public. If you have a business account, ensure that your business profile is set to public. This is usually the default setting for business accounts. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.